Hari, බලමු අපි 5 to 10. I didn't hear the phone. So 6 to 10. He never got the letter. It passive තියෙන්නේ must have been sent to the wrong address. It must have been sent to the wrong address. මේ රටාවල් අපි කතා කරලා නැහැ කලින්. හොඳට බලා ගන්න මේ විභාගයට කලින්. When he spoke to the little girl, she ran away. She must have frightened. She must have been frightened, sorry. She must have been frightened. Then එයා passive වෙලා තින්නේ. අර ඒගොල්ලෝ නිසා මෙයා බය වෙලා. She must have been frightened by them. By him. I can't remember the book, but I must have read it years ago. He was a young man, but when he came out of prison, his hair was white. Passive thing. He must have been treated very badly in prison. He must have been treated very badly in prison. When I saw her, she was wearing a new fur coat. She must have paid a lot of money for it. She must have paid a lot of money for it. Yeah. 17 වෙනි එකේ ඉතුරු කැලේ එහා පැත්තේ තියෙන්නේ. අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලා මේ ටික කරමු 16 වෙනකන් කරන්නකෝ ඔයගොල්ලෝ. Number 11, we looked everywhere, but we couldn't find the money. It must have been stolen. It must have been stolen by someone. Why didn't you answer the question? You must have known the answer. You must have known the answer. How did the thieves get into the bank at night? They must have had keys. They must have එකක් තියෙනවනේ. ඒකේ past participle එක had. They must have had keys. I should have got the letter this morning. It must have been posted yesterday. It must have been posted yesterday. The streets were very wet when I went out this morning. It must have been rained hard during the night. Sorry, it must have rained. It must have rained hard during the night. Active. When the bomb exploded, the noise of the explosion must have heard miles away. Sorry, no, the noise of the explosion must have been heard. Although the detectives searched the house from search from top to bottom, they couldn't find the revolver. But it පැසිව් තියෙන්නේ. තව හතරක් තියෙන කරන් පුතේ එකත් ඉවරයි. Hurry. It must have been hidden somewhere in the house. The baby woke up when she went into the bedroom. The baby woke up when she went into the bedroom. She must have made a noise. යා ශබ්දයක් කරන්න ඇති. The taxi driver got to the airport in half an hour. He must have driven very fast. යා වේගයෙන් වාහනය පදින්න ඇති. Henry was an hour late for the English examination. He said he didn't know the time of the examination, but he must have been told. He must have been told about the time of examination. So that is all about that lesson. ඒ පාඩම සම්බන්ධයෙන් ඉච්චරේ කතා බහ තියෙන්නේ. ඔයාලට දැක්ක එදත් මේක කරනකොට පැටලිලි සහගතයි. අදත් පැටලිලි සහගත බවක් තියෙනවා පුංචි මේකේ. ආයෙ පාඩම් බලන්න මීට මොකද්ද කියලා වෙන්නේ. ලොකම ගැටලුව තියෙන්නේ මේක active voice ද passive voice ද කියලා හිතා ගන්න බැරි එක. This is appearing in the second paper. ආවොත් second paper එකේ එන්නේ. ඒතර උත්තරේ හදන්න වෙන්නේ active ද passive ද කියලා හිතලා වාක්‍ය අනුව. ඒතර අපිට එහෙම වෙන් කළ දෙන්නේ නැහැනේ. මේ රටාවට දාන්න කියලා. ඒගොල්ලෝ ඉස්තන පුරවන්න දෙන්නේ. ඒතර අපි හරි ක්‍රියාපදේ දාගන්න ඕනේ. Page number 39, 39. 39. Page number 39 පුතේ කරමු. Underline the correct suffix in the brackets to complete the word and the sentence. වචන ලියමු. වචන විතරක් වාක්‍ය ලියන්න එපා. Alexander was the sorry, Alexander was LONG එකෙන් හදන්න වචනය to see his mother before he died. Alexander was launching. Alexander was launching to see his mother before he died. Launching කියන්නේ ආසාවෙන් හිටියා, කැමැත්තෙන් හිටියා කියන එකනේ. He had collected great wealth in his treasury. Treasury කියන්නේ භාණ්ඩාගාරය. අපේ නම් ඒවා හිස් ලංකාවේ. Crusoe was concerned about his personal protection. We can travel comfortably in a luxury coach. Medicinal herbs have curable properties. Suvakira heki balaya, curable properties. Curative properties. Curative properties. Curative කියන සුවකල හැකි කියන එක. Adjective එක වශයෙන් පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ. We must invent our money in short-term projects. We must invest our money in constructively. In construction. Constructive short-term. Constructive. Samvardhanatmaka. Ketikalan vyapathi. Constructive short-term projects. Meena is a very lady. She is not reserved or shy. Meena is a very social lady. Socialized ganda bhe idea nahe. Tadane social. Yahar social kena we can social lady. Small industries can give us economic benefits. Arthikavasi. It has been medically proved. වෛද්‍ය විද්‍යාත්මක ඔප්පු කරලා තියෙන දුම්පානය වෙනහළු පිළිකාති කරනවා කියලා medically proved. Most of the heavy industries are in acute financial crisis. මූල්‍ය අර්බුදයක්. Financial crisis. මේක බලන්න පුළුවන් කියලා මේකත් ඊළඟ එකත් අකුර විතරක් දාමු. Choose the correct idiomatic expressions. Idioms තියෙන්නේ විරුළුමය භාවිතයන් from the boxes. පහල එකේ තියෙනවා. ඒකේ තේරුම් උඩින් දීලා තියෙනවා නේද? You should spend within your means. වියදම් කරන්න ඕනේ ඔයාලට පුළුවන් තරමට. You should not waste the resources available. තමන්න තියෙන සම්පත් තමන් නාස්ති කරගන්න යන්න එපා. Don't boast about your talents and skills. ඔබට තියෙන කුසලතා හැකියාව ගැන පුරසාරම් කියන්න යන්න එපා. Do not quarrel in the presence of others. අනික කට්ටිය ඉස්සර රණ්ඩු වෙන්න යන්න එපා. Some officers are in the habit of accepting bribe කියන අල්ලස්. සමහර නිලධාරීන් ඉන්නවා අල්ලස් ගන්නවා. Do not wash your dirty linen in the public. ඒක තමයි idiomatic expression එක. ඒතර ගලපලා ලියා ගන්න. ලියන්න එපා. අකුරු දාමු. Do not wash your dirty linen in the public. They are guilty of an itching palm. Don't play your own trumpet. Don't burn the candle at both ends. Cut your coat according to your cloth. Cut your coat according to your cloth. ගන්න පුළුවන් එකට. Don't burn the candle at both ends කියනකොට දෙකට. Resources කියන්නේ. Don't play your own trumpet. third එක. Do not wash your dirty lining in the public කියනකොට හතරවෙනි එකට. අන්තිමකට B එකනේ. They are guilty of an itching palm. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට තියෙන්නේ 17 වෙනි පිටු පේපර් එක. ඒක ඔයගොල්ලෝ කරන්න උත්සාහ කරන්න page number 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 21ක් වෙනකන් තියෙනවා. yes. ඉතින් රචනා ප්‍රශ්න ටික මම ලියලා එවන්න බලන්න මේ ටික.